game?
30 superstars will enter, but only one will come out victorious. Which superstar will outlast the competition and win the Royal Rumble? Well, folks, the Royal Rumble is promising to be a night to remember. Kane will finally get his chance to try and make John Cena embrace the hate, while Daniel Bryan must outlast two giants in the Big Show and Mark Henry inside a steel cage in order to retain
The Royal Rumble didn't start yet, guys.
And as for CM Punk, well, it won't be easy trying to retain the WWE Championship against
Think it did.
when the guest referee may have other intentions in mind.
Okay.
My friends, 30 superstars will enter the ring in the Royal Rumble match.
Misty, you gotta knock Cookie out of bed.
Their dream to headline
Or Cookie.
WrestleMania. And remember,
Gotta knock Misty out of bed. That's how it works. Okay. Ding ding.
I'm hoping personally to see Brodus playing there so we can hear somebody call my mama. But folks, I can't think of a better way to kick off the road to WrestleMania. The 25th anniversary of the Royal Rumble is here. Live tonight at 8 Eastern, 5 Pacific, exclusively on pay-per-view. Call your local cable and satellite provider right now to order. Don't miss out on WWE's Royal Rumble, my friends. It is live, and it's next.
And the winner of the Royal Rumble, Mamo. Misty, winner.